air conditioner keeps icing up. They've had, I think they had someone else looking at it, so he called me to come check it out. Pretty sure it's a package unit up there, if I remember right. Let's see if we can get some measure quick on it, and we'll see what's happening up there. 4-tonner. Check some basics. First thing I notice, there's never been a P-trap installed for the condensate drain. We're gonna have to get that. Then they got this old filter media stuff just jammed in there, kind of backwards, upside down, goofy. Then I'm already noticing the evaporator's totally dirty. I mean, look at that. This is NorCal Refrigeration's dream. It's like mega multiple offender. And I haven't even got into the blower motor yet, but we're going to. Probably reuse this if I clean it. I don't see why not. The little horsehair filter. I'm at the point where I got the P-trap made up. I'm just gonna do it like that and let it drain on the roof like it was. I got the coil cleaner soaking in. I gotta use the pump sprayer. There's not one hose bib anywhere around here, and it drives me nuts on roofs. Even, check this out, even the swamp cooler, they ran a piece of PEX up and capped it off but never hooked it up. It's like mystery. So that's just bringing makeup air in but not cooling it. And we'll take it from here. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Checked a couple other things over here. So the tap's right on the transformer. And I was looking at the blower wheel here. It's got corrosion from being by the ocean, but it's not compacted or dirty, which I'm really surprised. So I'm stoked on that. This is like a bunch of sandwich mold that comes through the return air and gets on the wires and everything. You guys have seen that. So we're almost ready to check it out here. See what kind of shape we're in for. So now I'm gonna have to check the board over here and stuff, because it was running. So that's the issue with it icing up right there through this X-13 motor. I got the orange tap on high. I got 24 volts coming out of the board, coming up. The bottom is my common 24 volts. So I got voltage to the motor. I can change all the taps right here and test them. I'm getting nothing from the motor. This is a 240 volt unit. So between L and N, I should have 240 volts right here. We got a 240. So my next step is I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. If we can check the module and all that fun stuff. But it looks like we're gonna be getting a new indoor blower motor. Got the whole squirrel cage out of there. Just take these two bolts out, one on each side. And this is the module. Usually it's this pukes or one of the capacitors. But let's we'll disconnect this one right here and we'll check the resistance. Should be the same across all three windings. Going black to red is 5.3. Black to blue. There it is. That looks good. Yeah, come on. If I can get a good bite. It's pretty close. It's all over the map. Look at that. All kinds of readings. Look at this. If I already got it out and I know I'm coming back with the new motor, I'm going to go ahead and take this apart now. So when I come back on my next trip, I'm not going to be here for long. You know what I mean? Be less time when I come back. I'm already in work mode right now, so we might as well tear it apart. Let's do that. We're going to order up a new motor and a blower wheel. On those Bryant units, they're notorious on those blower wheels. The fins where they connect to the actual round hoop of the wheels just disintegrate. And that one's getting really weak already. So we're just gonna order up a freshie. So that was the X-13 Shuffle with a Super Deluxe multiple offender. Change this TXV on this little display case right here, and we'll get this all fixed up here. We'll take that TXV apart, see what it looks like inside too. Just notice this, watch this. Okay, just turn it off, watch what they do. This one's spinning backwards, so I got to pull that motor and see if I can flip the stack.